Hello friends, welcome to the Internet of Things and Game Design course. This course, being a bundle of two different courses, has been divided into two major sections. The first section is Internet of Things and also known as IoT in short. Here you will learn to build LED and robot projects. And you will control the LED and the robot through website using internet, mobile and also through your computer keyboard. To give you an idea how IoT can be used in real life, we will design a very basic home security system which can be operated from any part of the world. And one thing, that you don't need any specialized hardware for any IoT project you build in this course. The second section of the course is the game design section, where you will learn to build animations and keyboard controlled games, and then you will interface your Arduino and the hardware connected to your Arduino with the games so that you can play the games using the hardware you have interfaced with the game. This will give you a feel of a real video game or a PlayStation. In this course, we will be using a Scratch-based drag and drop GUI programming environment, especially developed for kids and non-programmers. The best part of the course is that you don't need any specialized hardware to build your IoT projects. No prior technical or programming knowledge is required to take up this course. No animation, graphic designing or game development knowledge is required. This course has been designed for absolute beginners in the field of IoT and game designing. However, other interested students can also explore these Arduino projects for fun. So enjoy the bundle of two courses in one and go ahead to enroll for the course. All the best.